Oh, hello. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode coming up. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. So check it out.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Today for appetizers, we're going to do some chicken taco lettuce cups. See here how I made them. All right, we're going to do some chicken taco lettuce cups. So I just have some pulled chicken. Oh, we have a visitor to Appies with Chappy by the lake. This is Badger. Badger doesn't live here. He just comes by when there's chicken available. He seems to let himself in. You want some chicken, Badger? All right, now go home. Get! All right, so chicken lettuce cups, chicken taco lettuce cups. I got the chicken in the lettuce. We're gonna go a little bit of salsa. Got some fresh tomatoes. These are from the garden. And some pickled jalapeno. Oh, and I got some very ripe avocado. And we'll finish it off with a little cheddar cheese. And those are my chicken taco lettuce cups. No more, Badge. All right, so to go with our chicken taco lettuce cups, we need a beverage. Today we're going to do a Chappy's Tiki Bar Original. This is my own creation, and I'm going to name it after my good friend Roberto. Roberto is my Spanish amigo from Valencia, Spain. He has a YouTube channel. I'll put the name of the YouTube channel up. I'll try to pronounce it. It's Roberto El Yilhero Caliente. I know caliente means spicy. So go check him out. And the name of the drink I'm going to make in honor of Roberto El Yilhero Caliente is called a Tropical Roberto. And that's going to go with my chicken taco lettuce cups. So let's begin my Tropical Roberto. All right, here we go. Got my cocktail shaker. Little bit of ice. Okay, for a Tropical Roberto, we need 2 ounces of Guava Nectar. 2 ounces of Pink Grapefruit. And 2 ounces of Captain Morgan's Original Spiced Rum. Alright, we're going to give that a shaky. And I have a daiquiri glass standing by. I'm going to strain it. Alright, and we're going to finish it off with a little bit of Sprite or 7-Up. Alright, let's give that a try. Oh, that's great. You get the bitterness from the pink grapefruit. And of course, I love guava nectar. And that's going to go nicely with my chicken taco lettuce cups. All right, so that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a new episode every Friday. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And special thanks to my Spanish amigo, Roberto. And this is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.